Hi, I'm back again with another wig review. Today's wig review is going to be on Bona wig by Zury. I have it in two colors. One is a grey and the other is a honey auburn ombre. So let's see how it is. The stock card will be coming up on your screen just now, and the deets of this wig are that it has a 4-inch deep part, that it is heat resistant, so it's pure fibre, and the real speciality of this wig is that it has a free shiftable part. That's actually what attracted me to this wig, because I really find it frustrating when a part has been placed for you, either the left, the right, the centre, and perhaps you want to wear your hair off centre, or you want to wear the part on the left or the right and you can't do it. So this hopefully means that I can shift the part to exactly where I want. Does this wig shed? No more shedding than the average wig. It's lost a few strands, but nothing to be worried about. Just as I was running my fingers through the hair, I noticed it's a silky type texture. This is definitely in imitation of European hair. It's silky but not plasticky. There's no lace to cut because it's a full cap wig with a lace part. It's very nicely finished, this part. I don't think it requires plucking. It has two combs either side of the part and one in the back. And in addition, it has the elasticated drawstring. It is a big cap. In fact, normally I don't do up the elasticated drawstrings because I have a big head. But with this one, I've actually had to do the elasticated drawstring. Got a good flow. It's not too shiny, but it does have a nice sheen to it. So you do get the idea of healthy hair. Yeah, it's really sleek. This is the wig with all the hair forward, very realistic density, and then from the side. I figured out why you can shift the cap, because normally a wig would have tabs, ear tabs, and those ear tabs get in the way of shifting the wig, but this one does not have ear tabs, and hence the free part. This is the wig in the centre, and as I was saying before, if you wanted to wear it just ever so slightly off centre, you can, and you don't have difficulty in doing that because you don't have the ear tab. So good idea, I'd say, all round. And I can also just literally shift it round to the other side, but I never wear my hair on the other side. There is a theory about which side you wear your part, but we will leave that for another time. I have another colour that I really wanted to try because I have never had a grey wig before. Why don't I show you the colour? Same wig, but in charcoal. It's a really nice subtle grey. It's a sombre colour. Often I don't like really dead straight wigs, but this is really nice. This is the part up close. I haven't yet put any foundation in it, but you can see already that the parting is amazing. Why don't I dip some foundation into there and show you what it looks like once it's finished. What it looks like with the foundation in the part. Doesn't it look so natural? If you're looking for a silky textured wig, this has it all. It has a pre-tweezed part, which is absolutely fab. It is the right width. It's not going to look fake once you've put your foundation in. It looks wonderful. It is the right density, this wig. It looks real. It looks like real hair. It's not overly voluminous. It's not thin. It's nice and sleek. As always, Zury have the best colours because they are all about the colour, and this sombre is wonderful. Really nicely done. There you are. You've seen it in grey, seen it in the auburn. Will you let me know which one you prefer? Is it going to be the grey or is it going to be the auburn one? You tell me. Please do hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up so I can keep on feeling motivated to keep doing these wig reviews for you.